Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super cool trick, how to turn any TradingView indicator into a full automated strategy using ChatGPT. It's much easier than you think, so let's get started. First, open TradingView and click on the Indicators tab at the top. Search for any indicator you like. For this example, I'll pick the SuperTrend indicator. Once it's on your chart, look at the right side panel, click on the indicator name, and hit the source code icon. This will open the code, just copy it. Now head over to ChatGPT. You can use the free version, but here's a tip. If you want better results, go to Explore GPTs and search for TradingView. There are many great custom tools there. Open one, type, "I need to turn this indicator code into a strategy," and paste your code. We don't need to set complicated rules right now. Let's let ChatGPT handle it for us. Once ChatGPT creates the new strategy code, copy it. Now go back to TradingView, open a new Pine editor file, delete everything, and paste the new code. Save it and add it to your chart. If you see any error messages, don't worry. Just copy those errors and paste them back into ChatGPT. It will fix the code for you. Keep doing this until you get a fresh, error-free version. Now add it to your chart and check the strategy tester report. If the results aren't great, that's totally fine. That's how the process works. Now let's make it better. Go back to ChatGPT and tell it, "The strategy didn't work well. Please add the ADX indicator as a filter to improve our entries." ChatGPT is very smart and can add any filter you want. Once it gives you the updated code, paste it back into TradingView, save it, and check the results again. Look at that. You've turned a simple indicator into a profitable strategy. Now let's try one more example using the whole trend indicator. This time, we want to trade from signal to signal. That means buy or sell on the initial signal, and when the opposite signal comes, close the trade and immediately open a new one in the other direction. We'll also set our risk to 1% per trade. Copy the whole trend code, go to ChatGPT, and tell it your new rules. ChatGPT will generate the strategy for you. Copy that, paste it into TradingView, and boom. You've got a strategy that trades exactly the way you want, with no complicated stops or targets, just a clean 1% risk per trade. That's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.